Hey, in 3 quick steps, I'm going to show you how you can transfer and hold your Chainlink coins into a hardware wallet such as a Trezor, a Ledger, or a Tangem wallet. And I'm going to use my Trezor here as the example. Firstly, in your hardware wallet software, make sure you've got Ethereum enabled. And we're going to be receiving your Chainlink into the Ethereum address. Why? Because Chainlink is an ERC20 token that operates on the Ethereum network. So we can safely and securely receive that into the Ethereum address. So let's do that. Let's generate an address. I'm going to confirm it on my device. And copy. Then back onto my exchange, and I'm using Coinbase here. I'm going to send. This small transaction here just as a test and example for you. Okay, that part's done. Now back into my wallet software. In this case, I'm going to see it under tokens. Yours might be a little different, but you should see it within the Ethereum section. I'm going to give it just a couple of minutes and we'll see that appear safely and securely onto your cold wallet. There we are, all done. The balance will appear in a few minutes as well, and that's how easy it is to send your Chainlink coins into your hardware wallet with Trezor, Ledger, or Tangem. If you have questions, ask below. Otherwise, see you in the next video.